afternoon, children. How are you all? I am fine, and I hope you all are fine. I know that you all love to do art and craft, isn't it? So today I have come with some interesting idea for preparing craft. I will recite beautiful poem for you all. Now listen carefully, okay? Butterfly, butterfly, flutter round. Butterfly, butterfly, touch the ground. Butterfly, butterfly, fly so free. Butterfly, butterfly, land on me. Butterfly, butterfly, reach the sky. Butterfly, butterfly, say goodbye. Butterfly, butterfly, say goodbye. Have you heard the poem? I hope you must have liked it. Now tell me, what is described in this poem? Yes, very good. In this poem, a butterfly is described. So today, I am going to tell you some information about butterfly. Butterflies are insects and are born as a crawling caterpillar. There are 4 life cycle parts to a butterfly. Eggs. Larva is known as a caterpillar. Pupa is known as a chrysalis and adult is known as a butterfly. Butterflies have the ability to see the colors green, red and yellow. Okay, understood? Now let's start making butterfly with craft paper. But children, one thing you tell me, from where do we get this paper? Yes, we get it from trees. And children, papers are very important. Do not waste them. Okay. Whatever the sheets are available at your home, try to use them only. For preparing butterfly using paper, we required a single sheet, scale, then glue, and last is thread. Okay, understood? Then now here we go. Now first tell me, which shape is this? Yes, this is a square shape. Do it properly. Okay. Parents, may please help your child while doing it so that they can do nicely. Take a square of origami paper. Okay. Then fold it half. Do it properly. Okay. Yes, press it. You press neatly. Okay, now which shape is this? Yes, this is a rectangle shape. Okay, now open it. You see the middle line. Then now take a scale and cut. Very carefully. Okay. Now you will see the 2 parts of this paper. Take a first paper. Then again fold it half. Yes. Very good. Press neatly. Again open it. You see the middle line? You fold first corner. You see the triangle shape. Again you fold second part. Now again you see triangle shape. Now you again fold third part. Yes, very good. You also see triangle shape. Now you again fold fourth part. Yes, very good. Again fold it half. Yes, press it. Very good. Again fold opposite side. Yes. Very good. Press it properly. Again fold in this part. Yes. Very good. Again fold opposite side. Yes. Very good. Then turn your paper. You see the middle line? Again you fold like this. Yes, very good. Again you fold opposite side. Press it properly, okay? Understood, student? Press it nicely. Yes, very good. Then you turn again and fold very carefully. Press it. Yes, very good. Again you fold vertically. Yes, very good. Now keep a side. Then you take another paper. You fold small part. Yes, very good. Again you turn and fold small. Yes, press it neatly. Again you turn and small fold. Press it very carefully. Again turn. Again you fold like this. Then again turn. Then again turn in. Fold it half. Again you turn the paper and fold. Yes, like this. Again you fold small. Yes, very good. Again you fold. Yes. open and fold it carefully like this. Yes, very good. Yes, very good. Make like a fan. Yes, very good. Take a first folded paper and then stick recent paper. Okay. Yes, like this. Press it properly. Okay. Then stick them with glue by joining them in their middle part. Now take a thread and tie a knot in the center. Yes, very good. Like this. Very good. Now tie a knot. Yes, like this. Yes, it is done. Now you stick this part. Yes, very good. Now opposite side you stick. Yes, very good. Now it, yes, very good. Just spread the like fan like structure carefully. Make wings of butterfly. Now we are ready with our butterfly. This is very beautiful. I hope that you like it. So children, keep smiling and be happy and be safe. Thank you. Have a nice day.